Morning. Happy day 44. So let's start with our wellness shot of ginger and lemon. If you're new, take a ginger and lemon shot every single morning. I actually juiced on the vlog too, so like I'm almost done, so I'm gonna have to juice again either today or tomorrow. We'll see when I have time. I got like one day left in here. Cheers. The ginger is real. I put extra ginger this week and it's like ginger shot done. After our ginger shot, we always take our super greens. No, I am not sponsored by Goli. No, they don't send me free stuff, although I wish they did. I just genuinely love these super greens. If they want to collab, that'd be awesome. Send me an email, Goli. Other than that, y'all tag Goli in the comments. Let them know I take this every day and I advertise. 2 in the morning, 2 at night. Y'all know right now. So I have these sea moss gummies with bladderwrack and burdock root. They literally melt in your mouth. You take 2 a day. So I do 1 in the morning and 1 at night. And this is my 3rd day taking them. So far, I love it. So adorable. If you want to order these, in the description to this video, there's a link to my link tree. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the shop where you can order these. They also have like sea moss gel. They have all kind of sea moss products. But I just wanted to try the gummies because for me, like I'm always on the go and doing stuff. So gummies are easy for me, which is why I take the super green gummies. And I also have the Organics Nature, the ultimate fat burner. Twice a day as well. So I'm gonna do 1 now and 1 tonight, day 3 of the fat burner. So you guys know every day, Dutch chocolate, vanilla protein. And then I add coffee. It's 1 tablespoon of instant coffee Bustelo like this. It's instant, guys. My favorite coffee creamer in the whole wide world. It is the Silk Almond Creamer. It's sweet and creamy flavor. If you add this to your shake, this shake specifically, it'll change your world. 1 tablespoon. Had this shake every single day for over a year, every morning. I can't stop drinking it. So delicious. It's like an iced coffee for breakfast. And obviously, I'm at home. Brooklyn and AJ are eating breakfast. Cadence and Kamora are still not feeling that great, so they are still sick. There's only 3 weeks left of school, so they really need to get better so that they can finish the school year strong. I'm adding my sugar-free caramel. Cheers. I don't have any Prolessa. I'll order some probably by the 15th. I'll order a new Prolessa. That's it for now. That's our morning little routine, and I'm gonna go drink my shake and hang out with my babies and get a little work done on my computer. And I'll see you guys when it's time to eat again. I am cooking an egg, and I'm about to flip it and add some mozzarella on top and then a piece of turkey. So 1 second, I'll show you. Have mozzarella and turkey. These keto bagel thins. There's only 80 calories. I just put one in the air fryer. And I'm gonna put my food on this. First, I added a tomato, now an egg, the mozzarella and the turkey, and I'm gonna add some glaze. Isn't that dangerous? And that's it. I know how that feels. This is my first snack of the day. Getting ready to go out the door, but before I do, I'm gonna take one of each of these. Mommy, yes, making my video, going to give it energy. Time. Yeah. I have have been trying to get around to cutting this chicken since this morning. I've cleaned it and soaked it in vinegar and have not yet cut it. But now that they're clean and done, I'm going to cut in fast forward. So you don't have to sit here and watch me cut nasty, slimy ass chicken. Paprika. I use very basic seasonings on chicken because I like to make different flavors after the chicken is already cooked. So I can make like orange chicken, mandarin chicken, ranch chicken, lemon chicken, all with chicken that's cooked in this base seasoning. Black pepper. Now we're going to make sure all the chicken gets love. Right, babe? Want to make sure that all the chickens got the love.
It smells really good.
It's not even cooked yet. Surprise for you?
Yes.
I actually do have a surprise for you in Brooklyn. For a little bit.
What's it?
All the chicken has seasoning on it, and my husband wants a chicken sandwich for dinner, so we're going to turn some of this into a chicken sandwich. You wanna watch? All right, so we're gonna get one of these. Huh?
No.
I'm going to make chicken sandwiches with these. While the chicken's cooking, we got clean knife, clean, different cutting board, salmonella gone. We're going to get some lettuce. Go daddy, go daddy. Greek plain yogurt.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Like a Chipotle ranch, but healthy. I'm using, this is the 100% whole wheat small slice. There's 70 calories per slice. There's 3 grams of protein, 15 grams of whole grains, and 2 grams of fiber. Air fryer so that they'll be toasty. Make one for myself, one for my husband. I'm just gonna have one piece of bread. It's gonna be like an open burger I'll eat with a fork. My husband is gonna have 3 pieces of bread. You'll see, it'll make sense. By putting the sauce that I made, some lettuce pieces, that's my husband's. You're so silly. Yeah. Chicken. That's a Big Mac for Daddy. Daddy got a chicken Big Mac. This is Mommy's. It's 1 piece of bread at the bottom, some lettuce, a half of a chicken breast just cut in half, onion, tomato, and Greek yogurt ranch sauce that I made. So this is my healthy meal of the day, y'all. I am cooking 4 of them for tomorrow. And then I have 4 of them that I wrapped up and put them in the freezer. Okay, so before I get lost in work world, because I'm about to log in on the computer and work on this online course, I wanted to come on here and do my second dose of the supplements. I'm gonna make a tea and then I'm gonna get some work done. And I just finished cleaning up the house. And look, I was cleaning. Sorry, I'm flicking you guys off. While I was cleaning the table, I was picking up the papers and It sliced my finger and it like sliced my finger good. Anyways, sea moss gummies. 1 sea moss gummy now, and if you want to order your sea moss gummies, click the link description to this video and you will see Shop Sea Moss Organics Nature on my link tree, and you can order yours. So I take their gummies and their fat burner. Taking it now. Our kids have bunk beds and right now they're switching. So now AJ's birthday is Friday. So he must be at the top because he's a big boy now. And Brooklyn doesn't like being at the top anymore because she's all of a sudden scared. So you can hear them. Their dad is helping them switch from Brooklyn on the top going to the bottom. Alright, now I'm going to take my super greens. Chicken really filled me up, so I don't know if I'm going to have a shake tonight. I know I've been doing really bad with my nightly shakes, but I've just been feeling full. Like I get full really fast now. It's weird.
Dad, this is not AJ's.
Herbalife tea now. I'm going to do lemon with some beauty booster. We're running out of everything, guys. Look how much is left in there. That's so depressing.
I want all of my stuff flat.
Okay.
If I wasn't a distributor, I would totally find me a sponsor.
Mir.
What happened? You finished? Scoop of beauty booster. Ooh. You're so cute.
Mommy, I need a cup of tea.
You need a cup of tea?
I need a cup of tea. I need a cup of tea.
You need to go to bed.
Daddy's never. Daddy's always sleeping.
Daddy works hard all day. Alright, here's my tea. I am going to go sit down and adult and do some adult work. YouTube and my online course and some Herbalife work, and then if my husband's still awake, we'll watch a movie or something. I don't know. I'll be back later to let you know if I have a shake or not. But so far, I think this sea moss stuff is like giving me energy because I haven't been tired today. Like I've been on the go. But see you guys later when it's time to eat. All right, guys. Cadence, say hi to my dog. This is weird.
You're recording my bed?
Okay, it is.
My arm looks so long.
It's 10:30, and I'm gonna end this video and go to sleep now. So, see y'all on the next video.